Hi guys, in this video we'll try to see a small problem on projections of solids. This one is taken from a question paper from JNTU Canada. Like this. A hexagonal pyramid, side base 25 mm and axis 55 mm long, rests with one of edges on its base on HP, draw its projections. This is pretty simple one. That's the reason why it is asked for 5 marks. Okay, let's go through it. Now, as usual, when you open an AutoCAD, we can directly open a new sheet and go for the limits, and we can give 0, 0 as your basic left lower corner and 500, 500 as your upper right corner, and you can check the units. Is it in millimeters or not? Is it in millimeters? And okay. Then you can press Z, enter, A, enter. After that, basically we'll draw a straight line which should be 0 degrees, therefore press on ortho and keep it 0 degrees, that is, let it be some 200 mm. I'm drawing a 200 mm line which is XY line. Now let us see the question. A hexagonal pyramid, side of base 25 and axis 55 with the rest edge of its base on HP. So it is on HP, therefore this base will be visible from the top view, that is on HP, that is below the XY line. Therefore 25 mm line, let us draw on the below the XY line. So that is below the XY line. Let me draw a 25 mm like this, 25 mm like this, and then press escape. Now use polygon command, or you can click it here, polygon, and then number of side is 6 because it is given in the question that it is an hexagonal pyramid. Therefore 6. Then instead of using center point as specify center point of the polygon, you can click on the edge or you can type E and press enter. Then it will ask to specify first midpoint, first end point of the edge. This is your first end point of the edge and this is your second end point of the edge. The two endpoints are given. Now we can select this first basic 25 mm line which is drawn extrally and we'll delete it. So this is your top view. But since it is a pyramid, what happens is that the apex point will be looking like a dot. So, and the edges are also visible. Therefore, join all the diagonals. Join all the diagonals so that you'll get the center point. Also, you'll get the faces. Also, you'll get the edges also available. You can even write the names. That is, use empty enter. Then you can click it here with some size 5, let me say some size 5, enter, and then press small a, click. This will do one thing, we'll select this a and this is your b, so we rename it as b. Similarly we can give the names for all other things also. And when you come to the upper point, that is only an apex. That means that we don't have any upper base points, that is upper top portions is basically like a single dot, we can say apex. Where is this? This is your F, and this is your single line, that is nothing but your, this is your single line which is F. O. If you observe carefully, I did not give any information regarding anything like dashes are not given. Reason is like I don't want it to be front view. I want it to be top view. That is the reason why no dashes are given here. So this is the basic top view of the pyramid which I drawn. Now, since it is on HP, the diagram starts from the XY line itself. XY line itself. We'll do one thing. I'll give all these things as red color, stating that it is an important point for us. Now, draw straight line. Change the color to some lighter I'm using because these are all the projector lines which I'm drawing now. So this is a projector line. This is a projector line. Also, this is another projector line. Also, this is another projector line. Now, along these three lines, we'll be having a straight line. that is from here to here, which will be of red color because that is the base of the pyramid. This is the base of the pyramid, where here we have 2 points E and D, that is E dash D dash. Here we have 2 points, that is F and C, F dash and C dash, whereas here we have 2 points, that is A dash and B dash. So let us write them. Here we have 2 points, that is A dash comma B dash, A dash comma B dash. Similarly, we have here 2 points. What are they? F dash, as well as we have C dash, F dash and C dash. Also we have here A, B, C, D, D dash and E dash. So these are the things which are there. Okay. Yes. If you want, you can move it a little down like this, so that will be perfectly there in this way. Even these points are also important for us, so I can give them separate color like this. Now when we talk about the O point, O point is basically the apex point, which means that along this straight line only we will be having O, but it will be at which point? As per the given question, it will be at 55 mm long. Therefore, above we will draw a straight line which is 55 mm like this. From here to above it is 55 mm. We can type it here, although is on right, 55 mm. And from there, if we draw straight lines along A, B points and D dash, E dash points, we will get this. Here the point obtained will be O dash, O dash. Even this is also important for us. Therefore, I'll click it and give some red color. Now, if you observe carefully, the diagram is finished, because there is nothing information regarding it is tilted, it is something like it is having apex in the other direction or diagonal in other direction. In this way, nothing is there. Only the information is given that the hexagon is there, hexagonal pyramid is there, it is lying on the HP. Then draw the projectors. So once this is finished, if you want, you can give some line weight. For it to be visible, line weight display will be on. Once this is finished, if you can click the zoom extras, it will be visible to you perfectly. So this is your XY line, this is your XY line. If you want, you can give the name also. This is X, this is Y, this is Y, XY line. Then that's it, it's finished. We'll just check the question again. Projection of solids, hexagonal pyramid, side of base 25 mm, axis 55 mm long. Oh, okay. What is the thing which you have missed here? We did not give the information, we did not annotate them. That is linear annotation will take AB length. AB length is 25 mm and O dash F dash length or O dash C dash length is how much? It is 55 mm. So we will give those two informations which are there in the question. Those two will be given here. We can give some separate color. Let it be white only. It will be easy for us to understand. So once this is finished, everything is finished. So the question is finished. So this is how you draw a hexagonal pyramid. Side of base 25 mm and axis length 55 mm. Rest with one of its edges on its base on HP. Draw its projections. So the bottom one is this is your top view and this is your front view. So this is how you do it. Bye.